This is Mr. Shobjani reporting from Allen Park, and many people have been asking me for what should be the perfect batting for perfect Indian team for the World Cup after the recent showing of India, and they wanted to know exactly what should be the perfect balance. And Mr. Shobjani has all the answers, so I will go ahead and tell you exactly how the Indian team should be, Indian cricket team should be. I'm not sure whether they are going to go ahead with this team in the India versus USA match, but I feel this is exactly what it should be. So at the very top, I believe yes, Rohit Sharma should be there. He needs to cut down on his risky shots a little bit, and especially in USA where the pitches are bowler friendly, he needs to be a little cautious because if he can weather the initial overs, I feel he can go on to make a big score which will really boost India's total at the very end. Along with him, Jaiswal should open. There is no use taking a player like Jaiswal because he is a specialist opener and not using him. I'm not getting the logic of using Dubey time and again in two matches where he fails and not using Jaiswal. Because ideally speaking, both of them are actually doing the same thing. They are batsmen. Dubey is not an all-rounder. His bowling skills are not really that great to qualify him as an all-rounder. So I feel Jaiswal and Rohit Sharma should open. One down, I don't think Virat Kohli should come right now. Immediately, Virat Kohli should not come. It will depend on the situation. If India is batting second, I think one down Virat Kohli should come. But if India are batting first, then one down Rishabh Pant should come because Rishabh Pant has proven in both the matches that he is in good touch and the more balls he faces, the better. So the order should be Rohit Sharma, Jaiswal, and then Rishabh Pant. Then I feel you should bring in Virat Kohli, two down. That is the fourth batsman. After that, Surya Kumar Yadav. Then, so there are how many players? You've got Rohit Sharma, Jaiswal, Rishabh Pant, Virat Kohli, uh, and then you've got Sky. So you've got basically five players till now. The sixth player should be Hardik Pandya. Okay, so these are the top six, and I feel after the top six, you will have to really do some very serious rethink about the whole strategy of Indian team. I think these six players are enough to take India to a total. We are being overtly cautious by again bringing in one more batsman or all-rounder in the form of Ravindra Jadeja. The seventh player is the key here. And the seventh player I don't think should be Ravindra Jadeja. Seventh player is Akshar Patel. And Akshar Patel is a very versatile player who can be brought in at any time. Okay. So the seventh player should be Akshar Patel. And after that there are four seamers whom we require for the New York pitches. But I have a big question mark for one bowler, and that is Siraj. Mohammad Siraj is really not in good form, and to qualify him as he bowls 4 overs for 20 runs, 18 runs, that is not what we require from Mohammad Siraj. We need wickets, and he's not getting any wickets. uh, Mohammad Siraj is not exactly an exemplary fielder also. Okay, so this is where I have a kind of a tailspin. I think Mohammad Siraj should be taken out and Kuldeep Yadav should be brought in because he's one of the finest leg spinners right now in the world, and we should give him one match before heading off for the Super 8. Okay, fingers crossed we qualify for the Super 8. I know we will, but still. So for USA, I think if we bring in Kuldeep Yadav, I think that will be great. Okay. So this is my team, and of course after that you've got Bumrah, Arshdeep, and there's another bowler, right? Bumrah, Arshdeep. So yeah, you see, so actually we really do need Siraj because there's a third seamer. So we need Mohammad Siraj because there is no, see, that is the worst part of this whole plan. I had already told this in the earlier like videos that we are really going short on seamers. We don't have enough seamers. We just have four seamers. That is Siraj, then Bumrah, then Arshdeep, and finally we have Hardik Pandya. So Siraj has to be there. There is no way we can take him out because we at least need four seamers for New York pitches. We can think about taking him out in the other matches, but I personally think in place of Siraj, you should have a more lethal, potent pacer because he's really not doing anything for the team. So my team right now is, as I've told you, Rohit Sharma, Jaiswal, Rishabh Pant, Virat Kohli, Sky. Uh, just let me because I'm losing count of the players. Number one is Rohit Sharma. Number two is Jaiswal. Number three is Rishabh Pant. Number four is Virat Kohli. Number five is Sky. Number six is Hardik Pandya. Number seven is Akshar Patel. Number eight is Siraj. Number nine is Bumrah. Number 10 is Arshdeep. I'm still missing one player, Kuldeep. Kuldeep Yadav. I think that is my team. I'll just run it through once again. Maybe I'm missing one key player somewhere because I'm just losing track of the selection. Rohit Sharma, Jaiswal, Rishabh Pant, Kohli, Sky. This is five players. Hardik Pandya 6. Then 7 is your Akshar Patel. Correct. Then you've got four more players, right? So we've got Siraj, Bumrah, and Arshdeep, and we still have one more player there. So I think we can bring in Kuldeep Yadav. Wow, we've got a great team. So I think this should be the team, and I think if we have this team, I think we are good to go. And the only weak link is Siraj. I personally think, you see, as a fast bowler, I need wickets. Okay, so just economy rate and all this fielding and all these things won't cut it. Okay, so Siraj has to pull up his socks and really deliver. So that is what my team is. I hope you enjoyed my segment. I'm reporting live from Allen Park. Hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.